Hello everybody. I picked up this Black & Decker LawnHog 18-inch mulching mower, model MM575, sitting on the side of the road. It wasn't working, and if you want to see how to troubleshoot intermittent operation, sometimes the mower would turn on, sometimes it would not turn on, check out the video link in the upper right hand corner. It'll show you how I determined that one of the motor brushes was worn out and needed to be replaced. So now that I have the brush replaced and the mower working perfectly, it's time to tackle a replacement blade. Here's the original blade from the lawnmower, and you can see it's in pretty rough shape. I cannot find an exact replacement blade because this hole right here is about 7/8 of an inch in diameter. However, I did find a blade that has a 1-inch hole. It is the correct width, 1.75 inches from here to here, and it is the correct thickness, 0.15 inches. So how am I going to solve this problem here, having the wrong hole diameter? This hole diameter is 1 inch, but otherwise this blade is a perfect replacement. It is the correct length, 17.5 inches. The way you measure a lawnmower blade is from one tip to the other tip. That's how you measure lawnmower blade length. I bought 2 blades on eBay by looking under this Black & Decker part number 905-481-99-01, which crosses to a USMB-BD-18BP. The -004 stands for 4-pack, but if you search on that number, or on that number, you should be able to find the blade in my picture, which is 17.5 inches long, 1.75 wide. This particular case, it's 0.152 thick. I think the original blade was 0.150. But again, the center hole is 1 inch on this blade, and you need to get it to a 0.875 or 7/8 inch diameter. And let me show you how to do that. One of the things you can do is buy these circular saw blade adapter rings. And they're a little bit hard to find and can be a little bit pricey because you're going to need 2 or 3 of them at a minimum. But the correct size you need is 25.4 millimeters down to 22.2. So that's essentially 1 inch OD and 22.2 millimeter ID. I think in some cases you might even be able to get away with a 22 millimeter inside diameter. But they're a little bit pricey and can take a long time to get depending on where you order them from. These happen to be listed on AliExpress. They seem pretty inexpensive, but you're going to have to buy 3 and the shippings can get a little crazy. But I made my own, and let me show you how I did it. I took a copper coupling. This one happens to be 3/4 inch slip coupling, and I cut a ring off of it to the correct length, so in this case 0.150. Alternatively, if I didn't have that, I would have taken maybe a piece of galvanized electrical conduit. I would have cut a ring off at the end of this, and then I would have split the ring here to be able to open it up a couple of thousandths to be able to slip it on. So that's another way you could have done it. They both have an inside diameter of very close to 7/8 of an inch and an outside diameter very close to 1 inch. So here's my copper ring. So we've got the ring in place. Blade's got a nice fit. We have good clearance to the corners. So this is the right size blade. I think this is going to work beautifully. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or informative, how about a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel.